The internet is a vast and never-ending universe. With so much information available, how do we find what we're looking for? This is where search engines come in, and there are two heavyweights in the arena, Google and Bing. But their journey to the top has been fraught with competition and controversy. In this video, we'll dive into the history of search engines, the fight between Google and Bing, and what the future holds for these tech titans. So, let's begin the battle of the search engines. To understand the rise of Google and Bing, we must first delve into the history of search engines. Before the era of Google and Bing, the world of search engines was a wild west. It was the late 1990s and the internet was still in its infancy. Search engines like Yahoo and AltaVista were the kings of the internet, but they were clunky, unreliable, and slow. The search results were often irrelevant, and users had to sift through pages and pages of irrelevant links to find what they were looking for. But then, in 1998, two Stanford University students, Sergey Brin and Larry Page, changed the game with their search engine called Google. Their unique algorithm, PageRank, revolutionized the world of search engines. For the first time, users could find what they were looking for with ease, thanks to Google's accurate and reliable search results. It was a game changer, and the world of search engines was never the same again. But Google's success didn't happen overnight. It was a result of years of hard work, innovation, and perfecting their algorithm. The world of search engines was ripe for disruption, and Google took full advantage of it. And as they say, the rest is history. Google's unique algorithm PageRank was a game changer in the world of search engines. It was reliable, accurate, and fast. Nevertheless, in the early days, Google faced stiff competition from established search engines like Yahoo and AltaVista. But Google's laser focus on providing users with the most relevant search results eventually paid off, and it quickly rose to the top of the search engine food chain. Google's success was also helped by its clean and simple user interface, which made it easy for users to search what they needed. This simplicity and efficiency quickly won over users, and Google became the go-to search engine for millions of people worldwide. In 2004, Google went public, and its success only continued to skyrocket. In 2006, Google acquired YouTube, the video sharing platform that quickly became the second largest search engine in the world. In 2007, Google launched Android, an operating system for mobile devices that has since become the dominant OS in the mobile market. However, Google's rise to dominance was not without its controversies. As Google grew, it faced increasing scrutiny over its data collection practices and potential antitrust violations. But despite these controversies, Google continued to innovate and expand its offerings, becoming not just a search engine, but a tech behemoth with a suite of products that revolutionize the way we live and work. Today, it dominates the search engine market with over 92% market share worldwide. It's hard to imagine the internet without Google, but it wasn't always that way. Google's rise to dominance was a hard-fought battle, but it's one that has forever changed the world of search engines. But Google's dominance has not gone unchallenged. In 2009, Microsoft launched its own search engine called Bing, and the battle for search engine supremacy began in earnest. Before we dive deeper, we would like to welcome you to the Why Factor. We are a new channel that uncovers the why factor of tech, business, and financial stories. We create videos every week on these topics. If you like them, please subscribe to our channel, show us some love by liking our videos, and turn on the notifications so you can follow our videos. In 2009, Microsoft launched its own search engine called Bing. Initially, Bing showed promise with a successful launch and early adoption by users. Microsoft invested billions of dollars in Bing, hoping to carve out a significant share of the search engine market. Despite its massive resources, Microsoft struggled to gain a foothold in the search engine market. Bing's launch was met with mixed reviews, and it failed to make a significant dent in Google's market share. Over the years, Microsoft poured billions of dollars into Bing, but it still struggled to keep up with Google's dominance. In fact, after its initial launch, Bing underwent several major updates and redesigns in an attempt to make it more competitive with Google. One of the most notable updates was the introduction of the Bing Rewards program in 2010, which incentivized users to use Bing by offering them rewards for their searches. Microsoft also made several attempts to differentiate Bing from Google by introducing new features such as Bing Visual Search, which allowed users to search for images and videos by drawing or uploading an image, and Bing Maps, which was intended to compete with Google Maps. In 2012, Microsoft partnered with Facebook to incorporate social search results into Bing. The idea was that users would be able to see search results based on what their friends had shared or liked on Facebook. While the partnership did not significantly boost Bing's market share, it did help to differentiate Bing from Google. Despite these efforts, Bing continued to struggle to gain a significant share of the search engine market. By 2015, Bing's market share was still only around 20%, compared to Google's 75%. The search engine industry is set for a major shakeup with the recent announcement of a collaboration between Microsoft and OpenAI's ChatGPT. ChatGPT is a state-of-the-art language model that can understand and generate natural language and is being integrated into Microsoft's Bing search engine. This collaboration is significant because it has the potential to significantly improve the quality of search results, particularly for complex queries that require a deeper understanding of language and context. According to OpenAI, ChatGPT has achieved state-of-the-art performance on a wide range of natural language processing tasks, including question answering and language translation. By integrating this technology into Bing, Microsoft is hoping to provide a more natural and intuitive search experience for its users. Additionally, this collaboration has the potential to push the boundaries of what is possible with AI and natural language processing. By working together, the two companies can leverage their respective strengths to develop new and innovative AI technologies that can be applied to a wide range of industries and applications. Microsoft CEO Satya Nadella has been a vocal advocate of the potential of AI to transform industries and improve people's lives. In a recent interview, Nadella spoke about the collaboration with OpenAI and what he thinks about Google.
Today was a day where we brought some more competition to search. We've been at it. Believe me, I've been at it for 20 years and I've been waiting for it. But look, at the end of the day, let's not, they're the 800-pound gorilla on this, which is what they are. And I hope that with our innovation, they will definitely want to come out and show that they can dance. And I want people to know that we made them dance. And I think that'll be a great day.
The collaboration between Microsoft and OpenAI also has implications for the competition between Google and Bing. For years, Google has dominated the search engine market, with Bing struggling to gain traction despite significant investments in advertising and technology. However, with the integration of ChatGPT into Bing, Microsoft is hoping to gain an edge in the battle for search engine dominance. By providing more accurate and natural language search results, Bing could potentially win over users who are looking for a more intuitive search experience. Of course, it remains to be seen whether the collaboration between Microsoft and OpenAI will be successful in achieving its goals. AI and natural language processing are complex and rapidly evolving fields, and there are many challenges and obstacles to overcome. Nonetheless, the association between Microsoft and OpenAI is an exciting development that has the potential to transform the search engine industry and push the boundaries of what is possible with AI and natural language processing. The battle between Google and Bing is far from over, and the collaboration between Microsoft and OpenAI's ChatGPT has the potential to change the landscape of the search engine industry. As the competition between these two giants continues, we can expect to see new innovations and advancements that push the boundaries of what is possible with AI and natural language processing. Ultimately, it is up to the users to decide which search engine they prefer, based on factors such as relevance, accuracy, and user experience. Whether you're a Google devotee or a Bing loyalist, it's clear that the search engine industry is constantly evolving and changing, with new technologies and collaborations on the horizon. We hope this video has provided you with a deeper understanding of the history and current state of the Google vs. Bing rivalry, as well as the potential future of the search engine industry. Thank you for watching.